Y'all saw how it was with San Antonio, and now it's time for New York. Alright, now we leave to go shopping. Alright, so I'm wearing my mask backwards. No one told me. Well, we are going to H&M. We're currently packing for New York, and by we I mean me, and by me I mean myself. I also don't know where my tripod is, so y'all are gonna get set down on my lap for now. I just went through for a little bit, and just found stuff I definitely want to take. So like these jeans I'm definitely taking. I got this flannel when we went to H&M in the last clip, and it's like this navy green, forest green. So I definitely want to take this. I have this waffle knit like camel t-shirt from Hollister that I really like, so I'm taking that. I have this like light gray Team USA hoodie that I don't know if I'm gonna take, so that's in the maybes. I have these like windbreaker pants that make a lot of noise, but they're cool, and I kind of want to wear them. Again, not sure if I'm gonna take these. I might, because these would be good to like wear like something underneath. And then I have more sweats in the wash, but I'm taking just a classic pair of black sweatpants. So yeah, I have 4 things. I'm looking for a black plain hoodie that has my name on the back, but I don't want that on the back because I want to wear flannel over it. But I'm gonna keep pulling things out of my closet and then out of this giant mess of laundry that I have back here, and I'm gonna watch vlogmas. So let's cut to the time lapse. Y'all, okay, so one of the days that they're there, I'm gonna be filming a video, and it's going to be like doing Christmassy things in New York. It's going to be a video for vlogmas, and I just found the perfect sweater to wear. It's super Christmassy and it fits me. I stole it from my brother's closet. So now I'm gonna grab this stuff and run it down to my mother and see what she approves and what she doesn't. Okay, so we finished in Banana Republic and now we're going to Gap. Alright, we just went into Kate Spade, also the giant tree. Alright, I don't know if I said it or not, but got a iced peppermint mocha. Y'all, it is 5:42, the mall closes at 6, and I have to run into the H&M in Willow Bend Mall to get my pants, but this mall has changed a lot. I have not been here in so long. Alright, scarf and pants secured, and yeah. Now we go downstairs and meet my mom in Macy's. Holy crap. Alright y'all, so we are currently heading home. We just spent some time with some friends and we are about to start packing. Alright y'all, so fits are starting to come together. If y'all watched my New York vlogs from this summer, my fits were very lackluster. So now we are going to elevate the fits some more. They're definitely not just matching shorts and t-shirts anymore. They're a little more effort. But yeah, the fits we have planned are chef's kiss. Y'all, clothes, 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 grandpa, tree. Alright, this video has probably been long enough, so I'm going to end it here, even though we have a little more packing to do, and you will see the rest of it in our New York vlog. Alright, bye everyone.